sustainability, reuse, repurpose, and recycle. And this is my attempt. I am taking a regular Sam's Club box and just cutting out the wings of it, and after that I am just using a regular duct tape to make it a bit stronger. And this is how I've done it. I am using it to make it more stronger. After that, I am covering it with a burlap. This is a burlap which I purchased from Joanne, and after stapling this burlap, it looks like this. And it's a raw finish, but I'm just using it to store my clothes, and I'm just making it a bit beautiful to wrap around a rope and creating a kind of a basket form. And this is the final look, and that's it. See, so this is the tiny attempt to be environmental conscious. You also save the planet, and do like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thanks.